Hello everyone, this is Marissa with the Bucks County Audubon Society, and today we are going to be making this adorable little owl pencil jar holder and also learn about some of the coloration of local species like the screech and barn owl, and the great horned owl is seen here. So let's get started. Owls are some really cool birds. They're unique in the fact that they are raptors, meaning that they're going to be eating meat instead of seeds like little songbirds would, and they're going to be hunters. They're also nocturnal, so their eyes are nice and big to be able to see in the darkness, but because their eyes are so big, they actually don't have the space in their skulls for muscles. So that's why owls have to turn their heads really far around, because they can't move their eyes like we can look from one side of the room to the other without moving our heads. When we make our owls, I'm going to be using these natural colors. And this is because I want my owl to look the part. Their coloration of the browns, grays, whites helps them to blend in the forest or in their habitat so that they're not going to be seen very much. I have here a wonderful screech owl, and this is a red morph screech owl. You can look at his coloration. You see that his feathers here are a reddish brown color. And this is about the size, our little screech owl. Just kidding. Screech owl might be a little big for this small jar. This could be a saw-whet though. Saw-whets are the smallest PA owl. But there's also a gray morph of a screech owl, and you can see his coloration is a lot more dull as compared to the red that you can see. So keep that in mind as you create your owl friend. You don't have to make a screech owl though. You can make all sorts of different kinds of owls. You can make a great horned owl, which are going to be much darker browns. Or you could create a barn owl, which has these nice face discs, which are going to be good for when we put our bottle caps on for the eyes. They're going to be a lot paler in color. Or you could also go snowy owl and really use that white felt to your advantage and create a cute little snowy owl. Either way, it's up to you, but keep in mind that an owl's coloration is going to help it blend in with its surroundings. What you're going to need for this project are old cans, either tin cans or glass ones, either will work. You don't have to take the labels off if you know that you're going to be covering them. You're going to need bottle caps, felt of all sorts of different colors. I'm choosing to go natural to kind of emulate an owl's actual color, but you can do whatever you want. If you want a pink owl, go for it. Googly eyes, ribbon or string, twine, and fabric paint. Again, I'm going natural, so I wanted some neutral colors. And hot glue. The first step is going to be attaching his body, his tummy. So you're going to take your jar and you're going to set it on your felt and you're going to make a mark right there at the edge. Then you're going to wrap it and make another little mark. That's going to tell you how far you need to cut. And once you have your strip of body fabric, you're going to use your hot glue, put that in a strip on one edge so that it's attached. Then you're going to continue to glue until it meets. Ta-da! We have our owl's body. After that, you're going to want to cut out its wings. So draw a pointed oval, and then you're going to fold your felt in half. That way you're going to have two copies. Then cut it out. if you want, before you attach the wings, this is a good time to add some body decoration. So I'm going to be using a pale pinkish brown colored ribbon to create some kind of texture and pattern around its tummy. So I'm going to use my hot glue to attach it. Place it on there, and now I'm just going to kind of wrap it. And everywhere that I want to hold it down, I can add a little bit of hot glue, just a little bit, to make sure that it's going to stick. Next, decide where you want your wings to go and glue them on. Next will be the eyes and the beak. Take your bottle caps and inside this portion, hot glue a googly eye. Then you're going to glue that whole entire thing to your owl. Ta-da! You're going to glue that on there. The beak gets glued on right underneath its eyes. If you want, you can decorate your wings and your tummy with feathers by using your fabric paint to kind of draw on feathers. So let's see how that goes. Now my owl has wonderful feathers on its wings and is also sporting some barring or spotting on its tummy feathers. So here you go, you've got your new owl buddy. Enjoy.